Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kaya Academy. My name is Sevinch and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials for you each day and I try to focus on new content with each video. I try to solve the problems that you face with on digital world. So if you have any problems or questions, just write these problems and questions in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. My channel is thriving now with your support, so thanks for that. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. What I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to delete all of your Instagram photos. If you have several photos that you want to delete, Instagram does not provide any tools for carrying out the task. Many people have suffered from a hacked account only to find tons of uploaded pics that are not theirs. And in some instances, the images could be ads. Other times, the user just wants to delete their image collection and start over. The only way that people ever knew how to solve the problem was to delete their account and open a new one. This scenario is something that Instagram should consider fixing. There is one workaround that does the trick. There are also third-party apps that do the trick. Thankfully, some app developers have stepped up to the plate, which gives you some good choices to delete all Instagram photos. So first option is Instagram image deletion workaround. And the workaround is somewhat tedious, but it gets the job done. To delete all Instagram images utilizing the workaround, you need to use copy and paste functionality. You can do this trick from the website or the app, but mass deletion is more straightforward when using your web browser. And this can only be done using Android or iOS applications. Unfortunately, it won't work from a web browser. If you feel it's easier to use a computer though, you can download an emulator like BlueStacks and download the Android version of Instagram and perform this workaround there. Paired with option 3 in this tutorial, this may be the smoothest way for you to delete all of your Instagram posts. And here's how to do it. At first, click on the option to edit your post. Please look at the picture, you can just understand from there. And locate one of your Instagram posts and click the 3 horizontal dots in the upper right corner. I'll show you here. You can do that, yeah. And click the 3 horizontal dots in the upper right hand corner and tap Edit Post. And make up a hashtag that you know no one is going to use as seen in the image here. And then hit the check mark once you edit it to your post. Do this for each picture you've posted. And then search your hashtag. This will filter all of your posts and pictures so that you can easily delete them from one place. And another option, the second option, is to use third-party apps designed for Instagram. The best and most efficient way to delete all images from your Instagram account is to use third-party applications. iOS Image Deleter for IG, InstaClean Cleaner for IG on iOS, for example. InstaClean Cleaner for IG is available on iPhone and provides the following features. You can just delete all your photo posts, manage your followers and links list, mass unfollow select users in your account, mass unlike and mass accept followers and much more. And InstaClean is free to try with limitations and works on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. And there was an Android app, but it is no longer available. And the free version gives you up to 50 actions before you have to upgrade to a subscription. There are a couple of other IG image deleter apps for iOS, but they have poor reviews and struggle with their functionality. And Instagram bulk image deleter for Android. Unfortunately, there are no longer any bulk IG image deleters for Android, and for be cautious and read into any Android apps that claim they bulk delete Instagram photos and posts. Copycats are out there that change the names and the look but carry the same code with minor adjustments. Anyways, the Instagram management apps that are available on Google Play only include bulk, unlike, and unfollow IG options. And third option, use third-party apps not specifically designed for Instagram. For example, AutoClicker. AutoClicker is a free Android app that lets you automate repeated taps and swipes in any app or screen on your Android. And this free feature works nicely for deleting all your Instagram photos. Once you play around with the app, you will be very excited by the possibilities it provides. And how to delete all Instagram photos? And at first, launch your Instagram app and the AutoClicker app. I'll just show you in the picture. And from there, tap Enable under Multi-Targets mode. And this method will allow you to have multiple points of tapping with a delay between taps. So, tap the green plus. On Instagram, go to your posted content, tap the green plus symbol to create a tap point, a circle with the number 1 inside it. And after that, set your parameters. Drag that circle to the first post on your homepage on the left side and tap the settings cog. And tap the play button and then pause it when the next option appears. From here, you can tap the green plus icon again and follow the same steps as I mentioned before, and perform the action for each tap. Your screen just should look something like this. You can just see it on the picture. And once you set up AutoClicker, simply hit the blue play button and it will begin to perform the action for you. If it's slightly off, you can hit the settings cog and edit each action, or what we are referring to as tap, since it's tapping for you. And in the time delay box, you can leave it at 100 milliseconds, or if your phone is perhaps a little sluggish, change it to 200 or 300 milliseconds. And this extended delay gives the app time to run and load information so that the auto tapping doesn't override it. And run this saved command repeatedly for hundreds or thousands of iterations automatically and without any human oversight. You can turn off the AutoClick app interface by disabling it on the app's home screen, and simply open the app and tap Disable under Target Mode just as you did when you initially enabled it. And AutoClick is a powerful application that you can use in many ways, not just for speeding up your Instagram process. And can't I just delete my Instagram account? Absolutely you can. If you'd like to delete your entire account rather than performing the actions I mentioned here, just, you can just delete your entire account. Can I get in trouble with Instagram for using third-party apps? Technically, yes. We only say yes because Instagram's T&C states that it can be a violation. And using something like AutoClicker isn't exactly hacking or modding Instagram software, so you should be safe to perform these actions without consequences from Instagram. And what if my Instagram is tied to my Facebook account? Ultimately, the methods I mentioned here will not affect your Facebook account unless you shared your content from Instagram to Facebook. For example, if one of the posts or just the things that I just explained there was shared on both platforms, it may disappear from the latter along with the former. And if you're concerned about losing content on Facebook, you can always repost it on that platform. And are third-party apps safe? Safety and privacy depend on the application itself. There are a lot of third-party apps out there that make promises such as deleting your entire Instagram history. First, read the reviews and analyze the permissions. If you are asked for personal information or login information, it would probably be best to avoid that app. And how do you archive all of your pictures on Instagram? Maybe you don't want to delete all of your photos, but you want to archive them instead. On the iPhone, the archive feature is in the three dots option in the upper left beside the photo. For Android, locate the button at the top of the photo, but the archive option is underneath the copy link option. And you can just see the archive icon on the picture. Then just click the archive option. The photo will be immediately archived, and you can unarchive it by reversing the steps. For the reversal, archive will be replaced with show on profile. You can see all archive photos in the archive page of your profile. Either click the gear icon in the upper right area for the iPhone, or tap the three lines or list on the Android. And click the archive page and you can see any photo you've put there. There isn't a way to mass archive more than one photo at the same time, and there isn't an app that currently lets you do that. Maybe in the future, Instagram will release a bulk archive feature. I will just see. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and the quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or leave a comment below. Feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all in another video very soon. Bye.